So welcome to the next episode of my video series about Linux. In this video we'll see how to make decisions, have conditionals in our bash scripts, and based on the result of the conditions we'll just try to do different things. So stick with me if you want to know more about this. Hello and what's up guys, Medium Guy here. I hope you're enjoying my video series about Linux. I've also got some very cool videos in my channel. It'll make me happy if you just go ahead and check them out. So in this video we'll see how to make conditions in bash script, and deciding on the result of that condition we'll try to do different things. We'll also later see if else, and later we'll also check the case statement. So without any delay, let's get to work. So first thing, I'll try to move to the where I put all my codes and configurations. So of course I'll put the GitHub repository link down below if you want to check them. So basically this repository includes all my stuff that I create and use in my videos. So as we saw in the previous video about the basics of bash scripting, if I hit ls, I see in here that I got a file test.sh, which is a bash script, which also I tried to make it executable. So in this video I'll try to create another one. So I'll just go ahead and say nano condition.sh. So as always, the first line I'll try to address the /bin/bash in a comment. So next I'll try to create the content of my bash script. So initially I'll say echo test, I'll save the file, I'll exit, and if I say ./condition.sh, it won't work due to the permissions. So if I say chmod for changing the modification +x condition.sh, and now if I say ./condition.sh, I'll get the test as the result of the echo that I have inside the bash script. So again I'll try to nano the condition.sh, I'll remove the line echoing the test. So basically in order to create conditions we have the if statement in bash script also, as we have the same in any other language, but of course the syntax is a little bit different in bash scripting, but there are no worries, we'll go through each of them. So in order to test one, I'll try to declare some variables. So I'll say a equals 10, b equals 20. So in this line I'll try to say if any condition will be placed inside the brackets with surrounding spaces. So inside this I'll try to say $a is equal to $b. In the next line I'll say then. So basically this is the syntax. I'll just make some indentation for better understanding and better reading, and in here I'll say echo a is equal to b. Then I'll say phi just to say to the bash script compiler that my if statement is over in here. So next up I'll try to create another if statement. In here I'll try to say $a is not equal to $b. I'll say then again. I'll try to make some indentation. I'll try to echo a is not equal to b. I'll say phi to end the if statement. So basically what I expect is that the condition for the first if statement should return false. I shouldn't get any echo which saying a is equal to b, but the result for the second if statement should return true, and I should get a is not equal to b, because basically as I defined over here they are not equal. So if I save the file, I'll exit the nano. If I try to run it, I should get a is not equal to b. So congratulations until now, because we created our first basic if statement. I'll go back to the condition.sh file. So basically what we did so far is that we checked the values for the variables a and b, and we had two if statements, first checking if they are equal and the second checking if they are not equal. So basically what we can do is use if and else statement in order to do exactly the same. So our condition will be if a is equal to b, and if not, the else statement will be executed. So again, I'll try to say if brackets $a is equal to $b. I'll say then I'll echo a equal to b, and what I can do in here, I can say else. Again, I'll make some indentation. I'll say echo a is not equal to b. Again, I'll say phi to end my if statement. So I'll save the file, I'll exit the nano, and if I say ./condition.sh, I should get two lines saying that a is not equal to b. So I hope you get the idea of how if and else statements work. So basically, if the condition returns true, the first command that we declared in the if statement will be run, and if the condition is not true, the second command that we defined in the if statement will be executed. So again, I'll try to nano the condition.sh. So what if I have more than one conditions to check? So like for example, if I want to say if $a is greater than $b, I want to do some things. If they are equal, I want to do different things. And if $a is less than $b, I want to do some different things. So for this one, what we can do is that we can use the if, elif, else statements. So again, I'll try to copy paste from the previous if statement. So I'll change the condition to -gt for saying if $a is greater than $b, I'll echo a is greater than b, and in the else section I can simply say elif, and in here again I have my brackets. So basically I can have some different conditions to check in here. So like for example, I'll say $a is equal to $b. In here I'll say a is equal to b, and in the else section I'll try to echo a is less than b. So basically if it is not greater than b, and also if it is not equal to b, so it must be less than b. And at the end I'll try to say phi to end my if statement. So I'll save the file. Again, if I try to say ./conditions.sh, so there seems I have some syntax error. If I go back to the bash script, in here after the elif I should have a then, so because it is also a if statement. So I'll save the file, I'll try to run it again, and in here I see that it is saying a is less than b. So next up we have the case statement. So if I exit this, I'll try to create another file saying case.sh. Again, I'll say /bin/bash. In here I'll try to create a case statement. So first of all I'll try to create a variable. I'll say a is equal to apple. Next I'll try to create my case statement. So I'll say case $a in. Next I'll try to pass my conditions and the statements that should be run when that condition is met. I'll say apple, a parentheses, echo apple is provided. Next line I'll have 2 semicolons. Next I'll say banana, closing parentheses, I'll say echo banana is provided, the semicolons. And next I'll say orange, closing parentheses, and echo orange is provided, my semicolons. And I'll say exec. So basically the exec command will tell to the compiler that the case statement ends over here. So if I save the file, I'll exit, I'll say chmod plus x case.sh, then I'll say case.sh. As the result, I'll see that the apple is provided. Again, if I try to nano and change the value of the A to, like for example, orange, I'll save, and if I run the script, I see that orange is provided. So with that, that's all for this video. I hope you learned the basics of making decisions, making conditional statements, and any kind of the if and else, if elif else, and case. So if you have any questions, as always, you can ask me in the comments section down below. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos that I have on my channel. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. And with that, I hope to see you in the next videos.